just get your cream cheese, make sure it's close to room temperature so it's fairly soft. Get your Babybel and just take that off. There you go. Now just leave that part on. Now just dip this in the cream cheese. And that's going to be Santa's beard. Now get like a little skewer and stick this up there. Now you just want this to stick up through the top just a bit. Get your mini marshmallow, cut it into a small piece and just stick that straight on the top. Now get that chocolate and melt it, put it in the microwave until it melts, and just once again get a little skewer, and this will be for the eyes. Just put a little eye Now get a bit of that wax that you took off, sort of squash it into a little circle or a ball, and just put that on. And that will be Santa's nose. Then get a little bit more of that melted chocolate, put on a skewer, and just put it across here for the mouth. Now get a skewer again and dip in some of the cream cheese. Now that we want this to go across sort of along here, that's going to be just at the base of the hat. There you have little Babybel Santas. Really easy, really cool, fun to do, awesome.
Simple cooking, simple